Hello, hi everybody. My name is Abu, and today we are going to discuss about data privacy, ethical decision making, and data security in the financial sector, financial institutions. So let's get started. As we know that we are living in a digital world where the data is available everywhere in every platform, especially in the financial, institutions. Sensitive data is available for the customers. So there should be strict regulations and best practices to protect this data. So to do this, there are certain laws, certain acts that the institutions must be following. So let's go and explore this laws, data privacy laws and regulations. First, we have GLBA, which is Graham, Leach and Billy Act. This ensures the uh, transparency in the financial information of a customer. Um, uh, it ensures that it should not be shared and or how it is being shared to which other parties. Then there is a Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is FCRA. This act will ensure that the credit reporting are truly and transparently reported to the third party, so that there should not be any issue for the customer if tomorrow he's going to take any loan from any financial institution. Then we have the third act, which is Right to Financial Privacy Act. Here in this, the this act will protect individual from giving the private financial records to any unauthorized institutions without consulting with the customer, without giving without taking any permission from the customer. These acts are very important to have the customer satisfaction on the financial institution, the trust on the financial institution. Then we have the ethical implications of data driven decision making. Algorithmic bias, there are certain bias already existing in our society. So the algorithms in this case sometimes unintentionally disadvantage some of the minority groups. So this bias can be handled with the ethical data driven decisions. Then we have the transparency and consent. Here the financial institutions need to be clear about how they are collecting and how they are uh, giving data to third party. There should be transparency between the financial institution and the customer. Third is accountability. If by mistake or intentionally an algorithm or data driven decision causes harm or unfair treatment to any of the customer, then the companies or the financial institutions must be held accountable for this mistake. Now let's see, ensuring data security and integrity. First is encryption. Encryption is the basic form of protecting the data. If a customer is doing online shopping, or if they are doing any purchases on a point of sale, then the critical financial information should be encrypted. The encryption makes it difficult to decode the financial information like passwords or the credit card information or the debit card information. The second is access control. This is basically we are limiting the access of the critical data. It's like a digital lock. And third is regular audits. Here this plays a huge role. There should be a system in which the companies or financial institutions must regularly do the audit of their system, so that they can be prepared, or they can act before something big disaster happens. All right, so the last point is now conclusion. Here, the ethical decision making and data security and data privacy, these are all three related related things. This is very important to have trust on the financial institution. The financial institutions must adhere to the acts or the regulations like GLBA and FCRA and other laws which we discussed today, to protect the data, the customer data, to protect the customer data. And implementing this type of acts will have more confidence of the customer on the financial institutions, and this will ensure the transparency and smooth running of the financial system in a country. So this is all about today's presentation. Thank you very much for listening. Bye bye.